Hey guys, it's Kim. Welcome back to today's video. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my little secret, or not so secret, way that I have gotten my lashes to be super long and full to the point where I barely even want or need to wear false lashes anymore. So I am going to show you guys what the products are. I'm also sharing with you a product I've been using for my brows. If you guys are curious to find out what my little secret is and how I've gotten my lashes so long, keep on watching. And also, if you guys have not subscribed yet to my channel, I hope you will. It's the first link down below in my description box. Also, make sure you guys tap that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Let's get on into it, guys. So I want to share with you the two products that have been total game changers for me, and this video is sponsored by Grande Cosmetics. Thank you so much, Grande Cosmetics, for working with me, and also, of course, thank you to you guys for your amazing support. And I would not be sharing with you products in a sponsorship if it was not something that I truly believed in, tested, and enjoyed. So I've been testing out these products for months, so I know that they work. If I didn't like something, I would not share it with you guys, and I would not do a sponsorship for it. So I just wanted to kind of like give you a little bit of a disclaimer, and I just want you guys to know that I would only do a sponsorship with products that I actually believed in. The products that I have been using for the past 3 months are the GrandeLash MD Lash Enhancing Serum. And I've also been using the Grande Brow Enhancing Serum. So basically what you do with this is you apply it every single night. And at first I was like, oh, like it's something you have to apply to your lashes. When you open this up, I will show you guys. You have what looks like a liner brush, like literally a liquid eyeliner brush. So what you do is at night, every single night for 3 months, every single night you apply this along your lash line, and you know, obviously don't get into your eye, but just get as close to your lash line as you possibly can. And you have to be consistent with it. So you can see results up to as little as 4 weeks, but you have to use it for 3 months. I totally saw amazing results with my lashes. So I already had pretty decently long lashes to start. So I would be curious to see how this would be if someone who had really like short lashes. But I totally saw the transformation with my lashes as time went by, and as I was like applying mascara, I was like, wow, my lashes look really long and full. And I love having like super big full lashes. So to me, I thought this was absolutely amazing because it was working. Like I saw it working. So it is ophthalmologist tested, so it is safe and approved, which I know is very important. This is your eyes, and you want to be safe with products that you're using around your eyes. As far as ingredients go, it has a blend of vitamins, antioxidants, and amino acids. It's also good if you have like thinning lashes, or if you have previously gotten lash extensions and ruined your natural lashes. The GrandeLash MD is perfect for kind of just restoring brittle lashes and getting your lashes back into their natural beautiful state and making them even more full than they originally were. So I suggest this if you are like post lash extension and you're like, oh my gosh, I just ruined my lashes, what did I do? Try this. And also I'm going to say, if you are thinking about getting lash extensions but you're scared, like I was originally, I wanted lash extensions for a long time, and I was like, no, like I heard it's kind of like gel nails for your eyelashes, and I didn't want to ruin my lashes. So this is the perfect alternative. Yes, it takes a little bit of time, but if you stick with it, it's better than ruining your natural lashes instantly. With this, take some time with it and you will see the results. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put on my mascara on camera with you guys so you could see how like long my lashes are with mascara. And I'm using the Essence Lashes of the Day mascara. This is one of my favorites. It really just makes your lashes super long. So this is what the wand looks like. I'll show you guys like a comparison between this eye and this eye with mascara so you can see the difference. Okay, so here is my lashes with mascara, and honestly I feel like it looks like I'm wearing false lashes. I may not even have to put any on today because they look so full. So that is my lashes. after using Grande for 3 months. Isn't that crazy? Look at that. Look how full and long they are. Like, the proof is in the lashes, you guys. I can't make this stuff up. So there you go, results. I'll also go ahead and do my left eye so you guys can see that as well. Okay guys, and that is the other eye. I'm laughing because this one lash is like super long. It's a little bit spiking up, but isn't that crazy how just like full and long they look? I honestly can't believe it. Well, I guess I can believe it, but it's just amazing. Like, look at that. So that is after just literally one coat of mascara. So it is a 3-month supply in the bottle, and it retails for $65, which does sound a little bit pricey, but it's worth it because it actually works so well, especially say if you have been getting lashes or lash extensions done. That is really pricey. That adds up per month getting the fills and stuff. So for this to be $65 for 3 months, I actually think is a really good value. They also have a little mini one, which I will link down below if you want to kind of like start out and see maybe like 4 weeks results. So I think that's a really good option if you're on more of a budget, or if you want to kind of get a gift for someone. It's a really cute set. People are always asking me what's on my lashes or what do I use, and I just tell them it's a combo of using this every single night, the GrandeLash, I always recommend it, and then also of course like my favorite mascara is to help show the length off. So I'm so excited that I found a product like this that actually works so well, and I would tell everyone about it because it is so good. And I'm actually going to show you guys like a before and after picture. So I'll show you like a before of what my natural lashes looked like before I started using the GrandeLash MD, and you guys kind of saw my after right now, but I'll show you an after of like my bare lashes so you can kind of see the difference between the two. And I'll also show you a before and after of what my lashes looked like with mascara before I started Grande. And I'm also going to show you guys an after of what my lashes looked like with mascara on after using Grande, which is basically like this right now, like how my lashes look. So I cannot believe how thick my lashes are, how long they are. It's just amazing. I love putting mascara on in the morning, and honestly sometimes if you just want to like have your lashes and no other makeup, that looks really pretty too. Sometimes I do that, and you can just have your lashes kind of like speak for themselves. You kind of get addicted to it, and you're like, oh, every night like I have to put it on because you want to have those beautiful full lashes. And this is not something that I wanted to keep a secret. I love telling people about it because I know lashes are like so important to us girls. It just kind of like enhances every look, and it makes your makeup look stand out even more. And then I also used the Grande Brow Enhancing Serum, and I do have full brows, but there were sparse areas, and I've been using this every night, and it's so easy to put on. It has a thicker brush on it than the lash one because you're filling in a larger area. So I put this on, and I have noticed that my eyebrows are filling in. I honestly feel like I've been filling in my eyebrows less since using this. Like, it takes me a shorter time to fill in my eyebrows, which is really cool. And I know a lot of people have more sparse, more thin eyebrows, so this product I think would work wonders on you. Maybe you used to tweeze too much when you were younger, like I used to. Oh my gosh, my brows used to be very thin. Like, I used to just have them threaded to like little nothings. I'm so glad my brows stayed and grew back and are still nice and thick. And I love that this is kind of just filling in those sparse areas for me. And you can see it working, like, as long as, again, you use it every single night. The brow serum is a 4-month supply, so it's a little bit more. It's $70. And to see full results with this, they do recommend using this for 4 months, and then of course you can keep using it after that, but the supply in here is about 4 months. And your eyebrows actually have a 4-month growth cycle versus the lashes, which have a 3-month growth cycle. So they recommend after you do like your 4 months of the brow product, and same for the 3 months of the lash enhancing serum, that you can do it every other day instead of every single day. So there's a lot of different ingredients here that some of them I can't even pronounce, but we have L-proline and amino acid for healthy fortified brows, hyaluronic acid to condition and hydrate brows, a botanical extract blend, ginseng root, chamomile flowers, bearberry leaves to help strengthen the brow, isopropyl clopristinate, which it says as we age our body loses. It's one of the main ingredients that produces results. And then chamomile stimulates the hair follicle. We have vitamin E, allowing blood flow to the follicles, and magnesium, which is necessary for nerve function. So that's kind of like a rundown of the main ingredients in here. I was so excited when Grande wanted to collab with me on this video because it's something that I love and I'm like obsessed with, and I wanted to share it with you guys and tell you how much I've been enjoying it as well. So this is just so cool to have something that actually truly works. So I wanted to just share it with you guys, and let me know if you have tried these products before, the GrandeLash Lash Enhancing Serum and the Brow Serum. I love the results, and I'm definitely going to keep on using this forever because it's just totally a favorite. I wanted to share how much I've been loving those two products and the results I've gotten. So please comment down below if you guys have tried these products out before, if you would like to give them a try. I'm going to link everything down below, including the set that has both of these in like a little mini pack for $45 if you want to do like a test run. So that is it, just like a little quick video sharing with you guys a product that I've truly been enjoying and seeing results with. Love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.